Hello friends. So in this video we are going to see the uses of function keys F1 to F12 which are there in the keyboard. Right, so we'll be looking at these function keys one by one. So let's begin. So this is first set of keys like F1. So F1 is for seeking any help. Let's say if you got stuck somewhere, so just press F1 key in your keyboard and you will be getting the help regarding that. And now F2 comes for renaming. Like if you want to rename any particular file, just click on F2 and you will get a rename option, so where you can rename your file. Whereas F3 is for searching. Let's say if you want to search anything, if you have any topic to be searched, just click F3 key and searching menu will be available to you. You just write your searching keyword and you will get the help. And F4, which is basically used for closing any application, at the same time for shutting down the computer machine, but it is used with a key combination like Alt F4. So this is first set of keys. Now this is another set of 4 function keys from F5 to F8. So F5 is for basically reloading or refreshing any page. Let's say when you are exploring internet, so sometimes we see like the image which you are downloading or something got stuck in between. So just pressing F5 key, it will reload that page, or it is used for slideshow also in PowerPoint. Whereas F6 is for highlighting the browser's address bar. Let's say you want to enter something in the browser, so you need to press F6 key, so the browser address bar will be highlighted so that you can enter whichever URL you want to enter. At the same time, F7 is for checking spellings. It's like a spell checker, basically used in MS Word, where you just need to press F7 so the spell check will open, so you can enter the spelling which you want to check. At the same time, F8 is to open the boot menu, especially when you got stuck somewhere, your computer is not booting properly. Just press F8, it will give you a bunch of options to boot your computer in a bypassing the normal process. So these 4 sets of keys are often used. And this is the last set of 4 keys starting from F9 to F12. Now F9 is to remove the selected item. Let's say you have selected any particular item, now you want to remove. So you just press F key, this will be removed and will go to the recycle bin. At the same time, you have F10, but this key is mostly used with the shift key combination. So like shift F10 is more or less work like a right click. Okay. So otherwise these function key have a different role with a different application, but these are some generalized functions. Like F10 using with a shift works like a right click. Now F11 is for full screen. Let's say you are watching something or video or an image or working in a using any web browser. So if you want to see the particular thing or a movie or something or an image in the full screen, just press F11, that will appear in the full screen. And lastly, we have F12 that works like a save as. So if you want to save any particular item or image or something, so just press F12, save as menu will open, just name it and click on save button, that will be saved. So this is all about these function keys, which are their common functions. So I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe.